Мариша, я хочу, чтобы он осветил все кристаллы. Мариша.
A proper noun, representing a feminine name. Pronounced roughly as
MARISHA.
with the stress on the second syllable. The name's origin and meaning would require further linguistic research. It's a speaker identifier, indicating who is saying the sentence.
Я.
A personal pronoun meaning I, pronounced.
Я.
It is the first person singular nominative case pronoun, representing the speaker.
Хочу.
A verb meaning I want, or I wish. Pronounced.
kho-CHO.
This is the first person singular form of the verb.
Хотеть.
Khotet, meaning to want. It expresses the speaker's desire.
Чтобы.
A conjunction meaning in order that, or so that. Pronounced.
chtoh-buh.
It introduces a subordinate clause explaining the purpose of the main clause. It indicates the desired outcome or purpose of the speaker's wanting.
Он.
A personal pronoun meaning he, pronounced.
ohn.
It is the third person singular masculine nominative pronoun, referring to a male subject.
Осветил.
A verb meaning illuminated, lit up, or lighted. Pronounced.
осветил.
This is the masculine singular past tense form of the verb.
Освещать.
Osvetchat, meaning to illuminate, or to light up. It describes the action that the speaker wants.
Хим.
To perform.
Все.
An adjective meaning all, or every. Pronounced.
Все.
It is an adjective modifying.
Кристаллы.
Crystals.
Кристаллы.
A noun meaning crystals. Pronounced.
Кристаллы.
This is the plural form of
Кристалл.
crystal, meaning crystal. It's the object of the verb.
Осветил.
Putting it together.
Мариша, я хочу, чтобы он осветил все кристаллы.
Means MARISHA. I want him to illuminate all the crystals. It expresses MARISHA's desire for a male subject to light up all the crystals.